Okay, we are out in Susan's garden. And what day is this, Susan?
Today is Turnip Day. Harry Truman declared it was Turnip Day. And I was born in Missouri, so I think it's Turnip Day.
Yeah, 25th of July.
25th of July, and you know on the 25th of July, you have to plant turnips. It's 25th of July,
Plant your turnips, wet or dry.
Yeah, plant your turnips, wet or dry. Okay, I need to rake off the clods.
Okay, we're
before I sow.
Get a little action here in the garden. Oh boy.
Yeah, it's pretty cloddy.
Got a little moisture there though.
Oh yeah, that definitely is okay. I just don't like all those big clods. I got a low spot here. This is great. It works for me. And I gotta plant them all because, well, maybe I want to try another day too, even though this is Turnip Day. We'll see. We'll see if it's true that they should be planted on that day only. Oh yeah, this big low spot here. This is probably a really good idea. Okay. I'll make one more pass here.
Yeah. Yeah, we tilled this, what, a week ago?
Yeah, it rained on it, we had to
Yeah, anyway, we tilled this to get rid of the weeds.
Good after you tilled it, and then it rained, and you kind of had to break it up again.
Yeah, did you come out here and put Roundup on the weeds too, or just hoe them?
I just hoed them out.
Just hoed them out. We tilled them, and then she hoed them.
Every morning.
Got a real clean bed now.
This morning it was, what, 5:30?
5:30 she was out here.
It really was a nice morning.
We don't get up at 5:30 because we want to.
No.
We get up at 5:30 because we have dogs.
The 5:30 is not because of the garden.
Yeah. Yeah. We don't wake up. We don't wake up at 5 and say, "Boy, we got to get out in the garden by 5:30."
No, but once you're up.
Yeah, once you're up though, we might as well do something.
Take advantage of everything. I tried to do a little double digging in there to get a little better depth for the turnips. I don't think I better do that. I'm just gonna set it down here.
That's her super shovel.
That is my super shovel. Did you see my super shovel?
Yeah, bring it over. Let's talk about super shovel for a minute.
Okay.
This was an anniversary present.
Yes, it was. It's a little dirty
that
right now.
Super shovel is wonderful.
It really is. The only thing is, if you get a super shovel, make sure you sharpen it. It doesn't come sharp.
Yeah, this thing, it was really touted as being a great shovel, and they were just blunt as could be. So we took the grinder and ground an angle on each of these. And boy, you
could use another.
You can cut clods now and cut roots.
See right there how it's got
yeah,
a nice
it needs resharpening. You need to resharpen it about once a year.
Well, I've been digging in the dirt.
But yeah, that's a great shovel.
Yeah, I really like it.
Yeah,
it does a good job.
Good shovel. It's
okay.
Good in the garden.
Oh, it's good to dig up plants.
Yeah, when you're trying to chop through roots, if you're digging a plant up where you need to cut through roots, it's really great for that.
Well, this is not my... Oh, it's not bad. They'll make it. I'm not going to worry too much about it. Okay. Supposed to have some thunderstorms. Maybe it'll get a little rain on it. Get it started. It's right next to the sweet potatoes. Okay, so let's see. Let's just do about this much. Come across right about there, right about where that other row of beans is, right there. And just do a quick broadcast. You can always thin them.
And how much did that little bag of seeds cost?
When I went into the elevator to buy my seeds, I said, "I need some turnip seeds, sir." And he said, "Do you want big or little?" And I said, "Well, I really don't think I need a big amount of turnips." And so he handed me this little packet and said, 50 cents, please.
Can't beat it. You can stave off starvation for 50 cents.
50 cents.
Man, what a deal.
It's not going to take all this 50 cents. I probably won't even use all this 50 cents this year. But you know what? Turnip seed seems to keep several years, so we'll see. I'll probably just put it in the freezer. And
turnips are kind of neat. They're you can come out here and pull a turnip out of the ground, knock the dirt off of it, and cut chunks out of it, and they're good to eat raw.
I'm going to give it one more quick little light raking over, not much at all, just to kind of make sure it's settled in. The other thing I like to plant are the kohlrabi.
Oh yeah, kohlrabis, those are good.
They're good. So maybe not on the 25th of July, but in another day or so I may try the kohlrabi. Oh, there's a piece of wood. We used to have raised beds, and that's probably off one of the sides of the raised beds. Oops, that's a little more than I wanted to do. Okay, I'd call that turnip day. I think we're done with turnip day.
Oh boy, turnip day. Boy, that was a brief celebration.
It was. We'll have to keep you posted on whether we get turnips.
Oh, we'll have turnips. They'll come up. I think Monday they're calling for about 60% chance of thunderstorms. And we got pretty good moisture in the ground. We've been getting storms pretty regular.
Yeah, I threw out some Kentucky Wonder pole beans along this back fence, and they're coming up. They came up in 3 days.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, and point out your tomatoes over there.
Yeah, I've already picked all the red ones today, so.
Yeah, she picked all the red tomatoes already today.
So they're just,
but what are those white ones?
Those are called great whites.
Great whites.
Yeah.
Man, those are.
Them pretty hard,
we just had some of that for dinner today. Boy, they're good.
But yeah, tomatoes doing pretty well. The brandywine on the end has blight, but it's a heritage variety. It's tough for it not to have something wrong with it.
That's their beans right there.
My pumpkin. We have to take a quick look at the pumpkin. It's hidden down in here. Let me drop that down there. Let me take a quick look at the pumpkin.
I might have to pick the camera up. I don't think I can see down.
Yeah, you have to pick up the camera.
Okay.
In fact, I don't know if you
can
get it.
Can we get a look at it?
Let's see.
Hold on, let me move the camera here. It's tangled up here. Where is it? Point to. Oh, there's the pumpkin down there. Let me see if I can get a picture of it. In so much shade I can't see. Pull this leaf back here.
It's a great Atlantic giant. I think it's called Atlantic giant.
I can't see my viewfinder enough to know if I got it.
Well, we'll find out later.
Anyway, we got a pumpkin down there.
I actually have a bigger pumpkin than this, but not here in the garden.
Yeah, it's out by the road.
Yeah. So this is not going to be my biggest one, but.
Man, let's see what else we got. Well, we got this camera up. We got you got your sweet potatoes there.
Sweet potatoes are blooming, and I know they don't always bloom.
Sweet potatoes there, and then what's next over there?
Okra right here.
Oh yeah, we got okra. Yeah, there's a story a few years ago in the newspapers. Cops raided somebody and arrested them for marijuana because they had okra. So I hope we're safe. I think the cops around here all eat okra, so I think we're okay.
The peppers. This is the slowest start I've ever had. Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Okay, to peppers.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have King Arthur and Big Bertha, and then there's a mystery pepper that turned out to be a banana pepper, and then I have jalapenos, which is supposed to be a jalapeno that's not exceedingly hot, but that has a little taste to it.
Jalapenos, that sounds good.
And I have habanero.
Oh yeah, we love the habanero.
Poblano.
Yeah, we love the habanero. Yeah, she's got it.
And I have an abundance of eggplant.
Oh yeah, we've got eggplant.
They're making eggs like crazy.
Look at that. Oh man, that's
there's
pretty.
a little teeny egg there.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Each plant probably has, and I've already harvested, but right now I bet it has probably 5
We love the eggplant.
And it's still blooming.
Yeah.
So, and the zucchini.
Oh man, look at these. Oh, look at these eggplants in here. Oh yeah. Here we get in here. Look at that. Oh boy. Doesn't that look lovely?
This was the year of the eggplant. It is really,
we are doing really great on eggplant. You can see one down there. Oh boy.
Yeah.
What do we have here? Oh,
zucchini.
Peppers.
Oh, that's peppers, yeah.
Got more peppers here.
This is that mystery banana pepper. It wasn't
this
really
mystery
supposed to
banana
be
pepper.
But there it is, right there.
Yeah. Oh,
it is.
yeah.
It's
Mystery banana
pepper. And the zucchini have been producing that crazy.
Oh,
so I haven't done too much
the zucchinis are wild.
I found out pruning zucchinis really is the way to go. keep any of the branches that are kind of crossing the others and keep the stem clean because the pollination is better and the chance of fungal diseases is a lot less. I tried it once in a tomato cage. That was a flop. You can't get to the zucchinis. It's too crowded. Not a good idea. I won't do that again.
I'm folding my legs up here so I can maneuver easier.
And the cucumbers are on their way out.
Oh, where are the cucumbers?
They're right on that fence right there.
Oh yeah, here they are. Here.
Yeah, the cucumbers are on their way out. I do have one little, like 2 cucumbers planted in a tomato cage over there to have some late cucumbers. And the potatoes are really done. So even the potato tower is done.
This is the potato tower.
I'm not going to harvest them because I want them just to stay there for a while.
We had a sample out of this, and we have some good potatoes in there.
Yeah, but it basically.
But yeah, the potato tower is basically done. Let me back up here. Here, I've got to back up where we can see the potato tower a little better. And it's heavy. We've got a couple of fence posts on that to hold it up.
It was all the way to the top, and as it settled with the rain and watering it every day, I'm not watering it now every day, but when it was growing.
That was a great experiment, and I think we've had some good potatoes out of it. We haven't done a harvest yet.
Yeah, and this is the potatoes in the ground, and
yeah,
they're still a little bit of green, but they're really basically done.
They're about done. We'll be digging potatoes pretty soon.
I've already taken the broccoli out. There's a few cabbage.
Got cabbages there.
There's one cabbage right there that needs to
come there's in. A lovely cabbage there.
It needs to come in. So
look at that. That cabbage is ready.
Yep, and that one is too. And that'll be the end of the cabbage unless we plant it for fall, which I might. Right now's the time to do it.
Yeah, we can do that. Oh boy.
See, that's it. Some tomatillos for salsa.
Got some little tomatillos here. Oh boy. Yeah, it's a great garden. Susan's got a great garden this year.
Good thing we had somebody. Oh, and the beans. The beans are kind of a joke because this year's beans.
Rabbits.
No, it wasn't so much rabbits, although we did need the fence because they were coming in. But it seems like things just weren't coming up well when I planted early beans. And so I kept sticking all my leftover seed in. And so come to find out, I got all kinds of beans in there. They're not the same kind anywhere in the rows. These are later here, so they're going to be more the same kind.
And we do have a fence. We had to have the fence to keep deer out. Without that fence, you cannot have a garden here because the deer are in here chopping it up every night.
And the Japanese beetles were not bad this year. I had them on these are my thornless blackberries, which are basically done right here. They got a few red.
Yeah, the Japanese beetles weren't too bad.
They weren't. Usually they just totally eat those blackberries, and they haven't. So that's a good thing.
Anyway, great garden.
It's been fun. I haven't done this in years, and I've really, really enjoyed it.
It's a lot of fun, yeah. Okay, well, thank you all for visiting. Very glad to have you here.
We'll show you the turnips.
We'll show you we'll come back and do another little shot when we get the turnips up out of the ground.
Time to get inside. It's 90-some degrees.
Remember, 25th of July, plant your turnips, wet or dry. Bye-bye.